Hello, welcome to Andy's Amateur Adventures. Today I'm going to be installing some fender flares on my truck. Now the very first thing I did was wash my truck, and then when I go around each fender flare I clean where the fender flare is going to be sitting with some rubbing alcohol. That way it gets any kind of oils and grease that's left over after the wash and dry cabinet. Now if you're anything like me, you bought an OEM fender flare from Ford, and when you open the box you realize that there is no installation instructions whatsoever. Not printed on a piece of paper, not even a link or a QR code printed or anything. That's why I selected the widest fender flares that I could find. And you probably don't care about keeping your vehicle road legal over in Europe, but I do for when I get there. And the next step that I did is I grabbed everything that went to the wheel well I was working on, and I did a test run. So when I received them, retaining pins according to the instructions. However, when you actually look inside your wheel well, you're only going to find 11 retaining pins and 13 mounting places on the fender flares themselves. I don't know what's like a Bushwacker or the instructions do not match the actual product, but that's what else. But I also decided to start with this one by screwing the Fender flare into the retaining bracket first. That turned out to be a mistake. I would advise doing that last after you have a couple of Unfortunately, I didn't catch all of them in that pass, and I tried to get it from the other side, but unfortunately I didn't catch it. I made the same mistake, so about that. And here, one of the brackets popped out, or it didn't go in all the way, and it just took a lot of force to get it in. And this is I literally shook my truck pushing. The mud deflectors on them, and I'm gonna have to take the mud deflectors off. I have a rubber band liner. The Instillation is exactly the same. Or you have one of the long retainer pins from it, just like you have the front, but you also had a second long retainer pin, and those long retainer pins are a lot easier to work than the short retainer